Hey, it's David with Bain Residential and Keller Williams. Hope you're doing great. I've got a lot of my clients asking me how the state of the real estate market is in Austin, and I got to say we're looking really good. We're outperforming the rest of the country. In terms of our own performance against last year, we're looking really good, and we could be heading towards another outstanding banner year. And all expectation is that we will be. There's a lot of opportunity out there for buyers and sellers. There's great interest rates right now. And I'm going to take you quickly through a few summary slides and let you know what we're looking at. And you can see a more in-depth presentation as well through a link at the end. Check it out. New listings in Austin. We are at 923 listings. That's quite a bit lower than we were last year, down 5% at the same time. Down here in mid-June, we dipped way low, about 18% below where we were the previous June. So that's driving pricing up, and competition among buyers is heating up in that time period. And right now it's pretty competitive. We have 817 pending sales right now. That is really high, especially compared to last year, right? We've got over 22% increase since last year. And the pending sales really signifies buyer demand. So buyers are out there, they're looking, they want to buy. There's limited inventory. Competition's high, prices are driven up. We've got a median sales price of $343,000. Now, this is a 12-week rolling average. It's not a month-by-month basis. So this takes a lot into account. Some of these numbers are affected by what was happening 3 months ago, but that's still, we're looking way over last year. We're up over 5%. And if you can see where we're heading for this year, it's pretty strong. So again, high buyer demand, low inventory, prices go up, property values are secured. So it's really good news all around for the state of the overall real estate market in Austin. And again, present opportunities for buyers and investors and for sellers, of course. We have just under 6,000 active listings in Austin. So that's down 25% from last year. That's a huge reduction. And when we see that, it puts a lot of pressure on the pricing. It puts pressure on competition. So even with these low rates, it's still a challenge to go out and to find a property for a buyer to buy. They got to be ready to move. They got to be aggressive in their terms to the client. And hopefully they're shopping below their max capacity so that they have some headroom to make those multiple offers when necessary and to get competitive against other buyers. 774 homes sold in Austin on average over the past 12 weeks on rolling average. It's down 7%, but if you go back and you look at the amount of homes on the market compared to the previous year, which is down 25%, that's not bad. So people are continuing to buy, continuing to sell, although the sellers are much less active for a variety of reasons, some of which revolves around the refinancing opportunity at these low rates. Prices aren't coming down off list price much. We're at 99.24% of list price. That shows very little room for negotiation for buyers. If you are a seller, price your property correctly. Don't go real high. It will sell on the market still if it's overpriced. But if it's priced correctly, even 5 to 10% on either side, it is going to sell quickly. And if it's in the right spot and the condition's good, you're very likely to see multiple offers. Weeks supply of inventory. This is a big teller. Now, again, for those of us that follow this, a typical our monthly months of inventory. Lately, it's been about hovering right around 1.5 months. I think we're 1.6 last month, give or take. This is a 12-week rolling average, so it's a different kind of metric, and it's got some tailing factors in it from about 3 months ago. But if you look at the trend line, we anticipate inventory to continue going down. We'll see if it does. It's really going to affect the pricing. It's going to continue to go up, and hopefully we get some more inventory in the market to help balance it out a little bit. A full, true balanced market, 6 months of inventory, which makes it neither a seller's market nor a buyer's market. Makes it kind of even playing ground. Right now, we're heavily weighted towards the seller's market, and only some new inventory is going to help alleviate that. So in summary, lots of demand, not as many houses out there, so we're in a little bit of a scarcity mode here, but we got builders building, we've got people remodeling, we do have people moving, and we've got a lot of people moving here because of the opportunity in the workforce, and then also it's just a great place to live. So we're active in Austin. There's opportunity for buyers, there's opportunity for sellers, and of course there's opportunity for investors. If you have any questions or you'd like to discuss it more, feel free to reach out, and hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.